How's it going, guys? Today we are opening a Cello pack of 1990 Fleur Baseball. We got 33 cards, 3 stickers. And not to ruin it though, it looks like there's a Morris on the back. Alright, let's get into it. I'm having fun opening these Fleur. I know it's not a exciting set, but it definitely brings back some memories for me. Eric Show. Got Greg Smith and Stu Tate. Mickey Hatcher. Rick Leach. Tim Burke. Brett Saberhagen. We will put him right there. Carmelo Martinez. Steve Balboni. Rick Roden. Jim Abbott. I always loved Jim Abbott growing up. Dave Steeb, another good one. Dave Parker. Sorry. Steve Jeltz. Mike Flanagan. John Smiley. Kirby Puckett. Let's go. That's a good one, that's for sure. Here, we'll put Steve over there. We'll put Parker there. All right, we got the 3 stickers. We got the Twins twice. Hey, Twins fan, shout out. Kevin McReynolds. Oh, Joey Bell. We know who that is. Whoa. This is a hot pack. We got Cal Ripken Jr. as well. You know, yeah, I mean, sorry, Brett, but Daryl Hamilton, Pat Tabler, Frank Viola, Doug Jones, John Franco. We got George Brett with the 10th anniversary card. Kevin Obergfell. Rich Jedman. Mitch Williams. Hey, that's another good one. Dan Plessick. Jack Howell. Carmen Castillo. Lloyd McClendon. Hey. And good old Jack Morris. So, pretty good pack though, man. I mean, you know, you get Jim Abbott, Kirby Puckett, Joey Bell. You know, I would have been super happy with this. You know, back in 90, like any of the early 90s, I would have been super happy. And Morris on there. So, hey, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, check us out on Instagram. This is Chris with Onyx Pyramid Collectibles. Let me know which cards you would want out of this one. I know some people are probably going to say it's all hot garbage, but, you know, hey, it is what it is. I'm getting a kick out of it. A lot of nostalgia is coming back. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good one.